Good evening, friends. Previous lecture we will discuss the SN1 reactions. Today we will discuss SN2 reactions mechanism in deeply. Okay? First of all, what is meant by SN2 reactions? Let us say SN2 reactions are bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. Previous lecture we will discuss SN1 reaction, that is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. In SN1 reaction, there is the reactions in which the rate of reaction depends only on molecules, that is starting material. Here in SN2 reaction, there is a rate of reaction depends on both molecules, that is reactant as well as nucleophiles. Whatever may be the nucleophiles we will use in reaction, the rate of reaction depends on that nucleophile as well as reactant in SN2 reaction mechanism. Let us see the examples of SN2 reaction, that is here we will take CH3Cl as a starting material, that is alkyl halide, methyl chloride. When this methyl chloride treated with strong base, that is KOH or NaOH. Again, here is the conditions for this reaction. We will use low temperature again, because this reaction also exothermic reactions. Okay? And here is the product is OH CH3, that is methanol, and byproduct is the SAT, that is potassium chloride. Here in mechanism of this reaction, this is one step mechanism. Here is this reaction, SN2 reaction is a one step mechanism reaction, that is attack of nucleophiles and simultaneously leaving group leaves the positions and form the product. Here mechanism like this, CH3 Cl, here OH minus ion is the nucleophile that attacks on this carbon atom, and simultaneously this chlorine atom leaves its original positions. Here the transition state of this reactions will be OH Cl. This is the transition state of SN1 reaction, SN2 reactions. Here, attack of these nucleophiles takes place simultaneously. Living group leaves these molecules and form this transition state. This is unstable transition state, and suddenly this transition state turns into product, that is OH and CH3. OH and that is methanol. That is methanol. This is the one step mechanism. Means we will discuss in SN1 reaction there is a formation of carbocation. Here no carbocation is formed in these reactions. Attack of nucleophile, simultaneously leaving group leaves its original positions and form a transition state like this, and this transition state turns into product fastly. This is the one step mechanism, but here we call this reaction is a SN2 reaction. Why? Because here both molecules, that is nucleophile as well as our starting material alkyl halide, both molecules react each other and form a product. Means rate of these reactions, rate of these reactions depends both the molecules, that is, one is a nucleophile and another one is a alkyl halide. And due to that, we call the reaction as a SN2 mechanism, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay? This is the reactions and mechanism of SN2 reactions. Okay? Conditions for SN2 reactions. Condition for SN2 reaction. Okay. First, alkyl halide. In SN2 reaction, we use generally primary alkyl halide. In SN1 reaction, we discuss we use tertiary alkyl halide. Here in SN2 reaction, we use primary alkyl halide generally. Okay? Most of the cases, secondary alkyl halide also used, and minor cases there is use of tertiary alkyl halide. Means SN2 reaction favors primary alkyl halide. In primary alkyl halide means we use primary alkyl halide generally in SN2 reaction. In SN1 we use tertiary alkyl halide. Okay. Next condition, temperature. SN2 reaction again exothermic means in this reaction heat is evolved. Here is a breaking of carbon halogen bond and simultaneously formation of carbon oxygen bond. We know very well that is carbon oxygen bond is a stronger bond than the carbon oxygen bond is stronger than the carbon chlorine bond. Means this bond break here and this bond form. Break, and due to that there is an energy release is much more, and so this reaction also again exothermic in nature. Means we use low temperature in this reaction mechanism. Means SN2 reaction mechanism or SN2 reaction favors under low temperature. Again, third condition here is solvent. In SN2 reaction, we use polar aprotic solvent such as acetone, DMSO, DMF, like this: acetone, DMSO, and DMF. dimethyl formamide, dimethyl sulfoxide, dimethyl carboxide, and NN dimethyl formamide. This is a 3 polar aprotic solvent which used in SN2 reactions. We see in SN1 reaction we use polar protic solvent. Polar protic solvent. Which polar protic solvent? Like water, methanol, ethanol, etc. Okay. This is the polar protic solvent we use in SN1 reactions, and here this polar aprotic solvent we will use in SN2 reaction mechanism. Okay.